Hi everyone, my name is Sindhu. I am a master's in aerospace engineering student at Georgia Institute of Technology, and I'm currently based in Atlanta, Georgia. Before using Genio, one of the things that I really struggled when it came to note taking was following along with my instructors when it came to lectures, and I would often find it really frustrating to listen to what they were saying, follow their PowerPoint presentations or things they wrote on the whiteboard, and keep up with note taking. With Genio, I am able to record all of the classes that I take, and so I can go back and rewatch some of the lectures and make sure that I don't miss any aspect of it. And I'm really blessed to have Genio to. Previously, I remember being really stressed when I would be in class because I would have to multitask. And as someone with ADD, it was very frustrating to listen to the professor follow their notes and take my own notes while trying to stay away from other distractions. With Genio recording all of my classes in the background, I know that I can focus my attention on what the professor is trying to communicate. I can ask questions and I can take notes, all while knowing that in case I ever missed something, I can always go back and rewatch those lectures. I also like to make notes in between, just for my reference, and so that way when I play those videos back, I always have a point of reference. One of the best features of Genio that I would love for it to remain on the platform is the ability to record. Since a lot of neurodivergent folks use this platform, this helps us stay focused in class while not feeling the need to multitask and have our attention divided, since Genio is recording and we can always reference these recordings later and consolidate all of our notes. It helps me stay on track with what the professor is saying, the slides or notes that they are presenting, and the notes that I'm taking in class. It also helps me to understand the information better and ask better questions. And while I consolidate my notes at the end of the day, I'm always able to have a point of reference and correct any mistakes that I may have made while note taking in class. Having a tool like Genio supplement your education truly allows me to move about my day in a less stressed manner. This is because I know that in case I'm in a class, I can always use Genio to record my class. I can take notes in between, especially jotting down some of the more important points that my professors mention. I know that I can always reference Genio to create flashcards or create pop quizzes to help me um, study in case I have an upcoming exam. I am excited to use the presentation feature and create presentations for my class. And because I'm able to use Genio, now my head space is a little more clear and I can use that to direct it to my creative interests. And I found that Genio is a big stress reliever, as it consolidates my learning material for me.